Okay, good morning. Welcome to
SuperMath number 105.
SuperMath number 105. There's the marker. So yesterday we talked about, back's sore. We talked about angles in a regular polygon. And one of the things in a regular polygon is all the angles are less than 180 degrees. But I've drawn a polygon on the board here for you where one of the angles is different than you would find in a regular polygon. Can you identify what angle that is?
It's this angle.
Okay, it's that angle. Alright, this is still a polygon though.
Yeah.
Okay.
Just not a regular polygon.
Yeah. So, assuming that I've got right angles everywhere else. Here. So these are all 90 degrees. And this here is also 90 degrees. Gotta figure out what we should call this angle here.
Well, it's a 270 degree angle.
It's a 270 degree angle. Okay. So I bend around 270 degrees. Now how many sides does this polygon have, by the way?
It's a hexagon.
It's a hexagon.
It has 6 sides.
Okay. What did we learn yesterday about what the angles of interior angles of a hexagon should add up to?
They should add up to 4 times 180.
Okay.
Which is 720.
Alright, so in a regular hexagon or in a convex hexagon, all the angles should add up to 720. Okay, so we learned that yesterday. Because we can chop it up into triangles. What do you think here we could do?
Well, we can chop it up into rectangles. Like that.
Ah. Okay. Do you see one little problem that you have accidentally created by doing that? You're going to be counting some angles that aren't part of the original picture. Can you circle those angles, please?
That angle. These 3 angles are part of the original picture, but those angles aren't.
Okay. So you are absolutely fine to chop it up like you've chopped it up, but when you add up the angles here, you got to be super careful.
We got to remember to subtract 360.
Okay. So what are these angles in these rectangles?
Oh. So it's 12 times 90 minus 4 times 90, 8 times 90, or 720.
Interesting. Interesting. And if I draw this picture again, (90, 90, 90, 90, 90). So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I get 5 times 90 plus x has to equal 720, whatever this angle is. What does x equal?
Well, this is 450. So it has to equal 270.
Just like we thought. So this gives us a hint, or hints at, that the formula we proved yesterday might be a little bit more general. The idea that it would only hold for regular or maybe convex polygons, maybe it holds for any kind of polygon. The only thing we haven't checked are if they intersect each other. So any polygon that doesn't have self-intersections, maybe the formula holds. Maybe you can chop it up into triangles too, by the way.
Yeah, you can chop it up into a bunch of right triangles.
Maybe. And you just got to make sure that if you introduce angles that aren't part of the original polygon, you don't count those.
Just subtract them out.
So, anyway, I just wanted to talk about that generalization. as an interesting thing to talk about today.